Welcome to another video, the same every time, IGCSE Maths, GCSE Maths, looking at the kind of questions that apart from the numbers are the same every time. You can learn how to do them, get yourself into the marks, get yourself into the grades. So we're looking at rounding and estimating. Here's another exam question. By writing each number correct to one significant figure, work out an estimate for t. So t is equal to this. They're not expecting us to actually do this on a calculator and work out the actual answer. They want us to round each number first, and that will give us an estimate. We must do exactly what they are telling us to do in the question. So round each number first to one significant figure. And in fact, because I'm doing rounding, I'm going to write down a approximately equal sign just there. So 49.2 to one significant figure. There's the first significant figure. There's the cutoff point. The 4 rounds up to make a 5 because the next number is a 9. Then we have to fill up as far as the decimal point with zeros. So 49.2 to one significant figure is 50. If you need a bit more practice of the significant figures, then look at the previous videos here. Since we have done quite a lot about rounding, I'm not going to go into too much detail about that on this particular video. 9.59 to one significant figure, 9.59. There's the first significant figure, there's the cutoff point. Look at the next number. It's a 5, so that tells us to round up. Well, slightly unusual situation here maybe, because the 9 has to round up, so the 9 actually rounds up, it has to round up to make a 10. So to one significant figure, we actually get 10 for that one. That's a bit of a funny one, isn't it? So 9.59, the first significant figure is the 9. Look at the next number. Is it a 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9? Yes, it is. That tells us to round up. So the 9 has to round up, but if the 9 rounds up, it has to become a 10. So 50 minus 10 on the top there. And one significant figure. So we've got 4.085 rounding to one significant figure. There's the first significant figure. There's the cutoff point. Look at the next digit. Is it a 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9? No, it's not. It's a 0. So the 4 stays the same. And that's just a 4. Fill up with zeros as far as the decimal point, but we're literally on the decimal point, so there's nothing else to add there. Multiplied by 2.35 to one significant figure, so 2.35. There's the first significant figure. There's the cutoff point. Look at the next digit. It's a 3. Is that a 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9? No, it's not. So that means stay the same. So 2.35 to one significant figure is going to be 2. And again, if you want a little bit more depth about the rounding to one significant figure or rounding to significant figures, look at the previous videos because I did go into a little bit more detail on those videos. So showing all your working. The question says you must show all your working. We can probably do this question entirely non-calculator. 50 minus 10, 40. And on the bottom, 4 times 2, 8. So 40 divided by 8, well, that's going to give us 5. So there's our final answer. That t, if I round each number to one significant figure, is going to be approximately 5. I've shown all my rounding. I've showed all the lines of my working out. I'm fairly confident that I've done enough there to get my 2 marks. If that video was useful to you, then please press the like button. Please also subscribe. I will return in the next video.